In this video, we will discuss about the safety and toxicity study of ASU drugs, means Ayurveda, Siddha and Unani drugs. Friends, there are a lot of confusion regarding their research trial. Most of the students are doing their MD and PhD works at their respective institute or university and colleges, and during their MD this is the first time when you have to undergo for a clinical trial. If any student goes for a clinical trial for some classical ASU drugs or their self-formulated ASU drugs, there is a lot of confusion regarding clinical trials, especially that they need to do safety or toxicity study of ASU drugs, or they undergo directly for their trials on human or animals. So in this video we will discuss in detail about safety and toxicity study of ASU drugs. Friends, you can see on the screen, this is the guidelines published by CCRS and Ministry of Ayush, and the title of this publication is General Guidelines for Safety and Toxicity Evaluation of Ayurvedic Formulations. And I hope after watching this video you have no confusion regarding your clinical trial. So let us start today's video. You can download this whole publication from CCRS website. Let us discuss the first table. The table first is research criteria for evaluating the safety and toxicity of ASU drugs. Dear friends, there are two types of ASU drugs for which we have to go for clinical trial. First is classical ASU drugs. Classical ASU drugs are which that they are mentioned as it is in our old classical text like Charak, Susrut, Bhagvat, Ashtang Hriday, Bhaisaj Ratnavali, Chakradatt, so many our ancient classical texts. And if we choose any of these drugs which are mentioned in these, that are called classical ASU drugs. And if we want to do trial on these classical drugs, these are three terms and conditions regarding safety and toxicity study. Let us discuss first point 1.1 Ayurvedic, Siddha and Unani drugs given in 158B as referred in section 3A of Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940. And if the drugs is mentioned in our old classical text and ingredients are as per text, means we don't change any ingredients as described in classical text, and also want to try these medicines on same indication as mentioned in old text, then we have no requirement of safety data, and also there is no requirement of efficacy data, because if we choose any classical drugs from any ancient text and indication is same, means for example if we want to try on Chitrakadivati in Grahani Rogadhikar, then there is no need of safety data and efficacy data, because Chitrakadi is mentioned in Charak Samhita in Grahani Rogadhikar, then there is no requirement of any clinical safety and clinical efficacy data. Let us second point 1.2 any change in dosage form of ASU drugs as described in section 3A of Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 as per text, and we choose the same drugs as and ingredients are the same, means we have not changed any ingredients mentioned in the classical text, then also indications is same, then there is no requirement of clinical data and efficacy data. And third point is ASU drugs referred in section 3A of Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1940 to be used for a new indication. And the third condition is that if we want to try any classical drugs mentioned in old classical text and we take all the ingredients as mentioned in the text. Means we have not changed any ingredients, but we want to try that drugs for a new diseases, means new indication. Then safety data is not required, means the drug is already safe, there is no requirement of any safety data, but we have to submit a required efficacy data. For example, if Chitrakadi is indicated in Grahani Rogadikar, as we discussed earlier in this video, but we want to try Chitrakadi in some other conditions like diabetes, Prameh, then clinical safety data is not required, because the drug is classical and we have taken all ingredients as per text, but there is no indication of Chitrakadi in diabetes. So if we want to try Chitrakadi in diabetes or Prameh, then there is a requirement of efficacy data. So for this we should collect previous references or previous research work, or we have to go for a pilot study to submit clinical efficacy data. So friends, these are the 3 points for classical ASU drugs to go for a clinical trial.